Hi foodsters, welcome to Madam Foodster. Today we are going to prepare restaurant style Palak Paneer. We will start with boiling 2 glasses of water. We will add spinach in the boiled water. We just need to blanch the spinach, we don't need to boil it completely. Now we just need to transfer the spinach from boiled to cold water. Now we can drain off the excess water. Now it's the right time to blend it to fine paste. We will add a green chili for making it a little more spicy. You can see now the spinach has turned into a very fine paste. A very beautiful green color has come up. On the other side, we will heat up a pan, add some oil in it. We will add 2 teaspoons of butter. As we are making it a restaurant style recipe, we will make it very simple but creamy. We will add some chopped garlic. Make sure it turns golden. Now we will add chopped onions. We can add a pinch of cumin seeds as well. We will add salt as per taste. Now as we can see, our onions has turned pink in color. We will add the puree of spinach. We need to stir it well. As the spinach may splutter, cook at low flame. So foodsters, now it's the right time to add the paneer cubes. Foodsters, we are not frying this paneer or we are not boiling it. We are just keeping it raw as it is to make it taste better. We need to stir it with light hands so that the paneer doesn't break. So foodsters, our palak paneer is ready. Now we need to garnish it with lots of cream. Now you can serve this palak paneer with pulao or chapati. So foodsters, do try this restaurant style recipe of palak paneer and share your valuable feedback. Thank you.